Okay, we're in the third video and we're in tip number 5. This is deleting messages. So delete message, you come on up here to the edit button. Once you're in the actual app itself, the mail app itself, you tap on the edit button and you know a series of bullets come down the side here. As you can see, a lot of you are posting onto Wikispaces. That's wonderful. We're getting a lot of good discussion back and forth, and I think it's helping everybody. But if we wanted to go ahead and delete a couple of these messages here, actually not your messages, I'll delete this one and that one, and we'll delete that one. You'll notice that down the bottom here it says archive. Well, if you were in any other app except for Google, it would say delete. Google never deletes, it archives. So if I clicked on archive and tap selected messages, those messages would be gone from my message board. Okay, that is tip number 5. Now if we wanted to flag messages, we also could do that. Do the same thing, come up to edit, tap on edit, and we come down here and I'm going to flag these messages here, these 3 messages here. So I'm going to flag that one, and that one. Now flagging, if I come down here to see where it says mark, I'm going to tap on mark. And it gives me some options. I can mark as red if I wanted just to do that. I can move actually to the folder, the junk mail folder, or I could flag it. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and flag it. I just want you to see what that actually looks like. And you'll notice that it will flag. And what I mean by flagging, you see these orange areas here? What the orange area is designating is that that's a special type of email. And if I wanted to search for all flagged emails, I can come up here to this search box and go ahead and search for all flagged messages, and all those flagged messages would pop up. End of tip number 6. Tip number 7 is movie messages. So we're going to go back to our messages. We're going to come up here to the edit command, tap on edit. Again, we get our bullets on the side. Let's say I wanted to go ahead and move a couple of these messages into a folder. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap on any indiscriminate here. I'm just going to tap on these 3 messages. And down here in the bottom, you see we've gone over archive, we've gone over mark to see where it says move. So I'm going to go ahead and tap on move. And my boxes come up, my mailboxes for Gmail come up. Now there's a lot of boxes that I have here. You not necessarily have all these boxes. So I can put any of these mail that I've selected, any of the message I've selected to any of these boxes. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to go select into the rubbish or the junk. Actually, look at the amount of messages I have in junk. So as soon as I tap it, I'm going to come back over here again when I cancel this. So you see this. So I'm going to try this again. I'm going to go to edit, select my messages, and then I'm going to move those messages into my junk folder. I'm going to tap on junk, and bang, they've moved into the junk folder. It happens instantaneously. Sometimes it's very difficult to see, but if you try it, you'll be able to see how it works. That's the end of the video. Take care.